So I'm thinking this last couple of weeks, filming and stuff, it looks like we're gonna call September a Midollino month. So with that, I just want to show you a few quick tips actually on Midollino, at least one of the tips anyway, today, something that's really quick. I want to start out by showing you a Phalaenopsis orchid plant that's being kind of treated with the Midollino extender, just supported with the Midollino extender, and how one could actually use Midollino as an extra accent material, sort of swirling it through and over that plant. So I just want to show you a real quick method on how you can accomplish this very quickly so that the use of Midollino doesn't have to be so tedious. So the key to using Midollino is not to use them singly. So we're going to try to actually bundle them together in threes. So basically what it is taking 3 pieces of Midollino. I'm going to cut pieces of U-glue dashes into half and then into a quarter. So you just have little tiny pieces of U-glue dash and you wrap it around at each end of the Midollino bundle. And then wrap it with a little touch of bullion wire at both ends. This accomplishes bundling of threes so that you never have that little singular sticks poking out in and through any kind of arrangement. It makes it look a lot cleaner and the designing with it becomes much more efficient. So this is a result of the quick tip, the method of bundling 3 at a time. It's really a very efficient, great technique to use in the design. You can see how it works. If you enjoy this little quick tip, and I hope to do a lot more of these, just make sure to give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe.